Welcome to the HG Hypergrinder app tutorial. With the HG Hypergrinder app, you can browse catalogs, access technical documentation, stay up to date with the latest news and events, and enjoy exclusive content directly from your smartphone or tablet, wherever you are. To get started, download the HG Hypergrinder app from your preferred app store. The app is available on the main mobile platforms for both Android and iOS devices. Once the installation is complete, open the app to access the main screen. Here, you will find an overview of the main sections available. To access all the app's features, you need to create an account. Select the Login, Sign In option on the home screen. Next, choose the registration option and fill in the required fields with your information. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and create a secure password. During registration, you will need to select the role you would like to register with. By choosing Client, you will gain immediate access to the entire Hypergrinder catalog, where you can browse products, view up-to-date prices, and read detailed product descriptions. The Agent Sales option is reserved for Hypergrinder sales representatives and authorized dealers. This role allows you to manage customers, create quotations, and place orders directly through the app. To access these features, your registration must first be approved by an administrator. Once you have completed the registration form, confirm your details and proceed with account creation. After registering, you will receive an email from Hypergrinder Visium. Please also check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and confirm your email address to activate your account. Once your account has been activated, you can log in using your newly created credentials and access all the features available in the HG Hypergrinder app. Now, let's explore the different sections of the app and learn how to make the most of its features after registration. First, we can browse the catalog section, which contains all our products with always up-to-date pricing. You can browse the catalog by category or use the search function to quickly find a specific product by entering its name. Once you have selected a product, you can choose the desired model. This allows you to view the updated list price for the selected version. In addition, you can access detailed product information and view all available options. By selecting each option, you can see its price and detailed specifications. Another very useful feature is the ability to share a complete product sheet, including technical data and photos, via email or WhatsApp. Scrolling further down the homepage, you will find the News section, where all new documents, products, updates, and promotions are published. Returning to the homepage, you will also find the Trade Shows and Events section, where you can view all upcoming appointments, exhibitions, and events in which we will be participating. This section is updated regularly. At the bottom of the homepage, you will find the Contacts section, where all our contact details are available, making it easy to get in touch with us quickly and directly. Finally, we recommend enabling app notifications on your device so you never miss any news, updates, or promotions.